Welcome to this class once again. I'm happy to have you here. Okay, I thank God for the life He has given unto us. I came across these questions in indices and I decided I will be solving them to help us learn how to tackle some problems in indices. Okay, let's say this one is number 1. We are having if 9 to power 2x is equals to 1 over 3 bracket open 27 to power x, find x. Okay, if we have this now, let me solution. Let's say, let me rewrite it. 9 to power 2x equals to 1 over 3 bracket open 27 to power x, find x. Now, one thing about this, if you want to really know the laws of indices, you can check one of my videos. It's been long. I taught a full topic on indices, full course on indices, so feel free to check it. Now, how do you solve this? Sometimes the lowest integer, the lowest number can guide you. What do I mean? Having seen 3 here, check the other numbers they've given. Can this one be broken down to 3? What of this one? If they can, go ahead and break them down to 3 so that you have same numbers, because in indices always target to have same numbers. Same numbers, don't forget, it will help you. It's not that it's the absolute way of solving it, but let's proceed. Okay, this one now we know it can be 3 to power 2 to represent 9, but also no, already it has power 2x. I'll put it there, equals to 1 over 3. This is the same thing as 3 to power 3. I'll put it there. Also know it has x. Then this one now, express it out. 2 times this 2x will give us 4x equals to, this is 1 over 3. Let's leave it this way first. This bracket means multiplication, and this now will give us 3 to power 3x, because that 3, if it multiply this x, it will give 3x as power. Now let's still express it more to be linear. Equals to this 1 over 3. In indices, anything reciprocal of anything is the same thing as that number, that denominator to the power minus 1. Now multiplied by this 3 power 3x. Now indices is telling us when you are having the same numbers, as in the same integers, pick one of them. If it is multiplication that is between them, add their power. If it is division, subtract their powers. Now that will make me, let me rewrite this one the same way, equals to this. Now this is 3, this is 3. From the law of indices, I'll pick one, then I'll add their power because of the multiplication. It will now be plus 3x. Okay, having added the power, what are we going to do next now? See, you know, if you want to continue with this, these 2 powers can add. They are not like terms. But you are seeing 3 here, you are seeing 3 here. Indices is making us understand. Indices is making us understand even mass on itself. When you have the same number, the same integer, even though they have different power, they can cancel. So this 3 now can cancel this 3 to leave us with 4x equals to minus 1 plus 3x. Okay, I will now collect like them. This is 4x, this is 3x. 2 of them can come together. I will now have 4x. If this one comes to the other side of the equal to, the sign will change. You will now have minus 3x equals to minus 1. So this 4x minus 3x will give us now x, which is equals to, this becomes minus 1. X is equal to minus 1.